What's going on, guys? Welcome to today's CBD flower review. Today we've got a review on the Gelato from Herbalogy in this beautiful tin. Guys, they do ship their products with a baggie as well, so you can keep this away from the fresh air, but a really nice touch putting a tin. There's no companies out there at the moment shipping me product in tins. I want to say how beautiful this bud is too. They really sorted me out here. Beautiful smell to this one. But before we talk about smell, I do want to say I did a review for Herbalogy recently, and for some reason the YouTube editor messed it up and I had to delete the video. So you know we got to come back and show you guys their latest strain that they've just restocked, their Gelato strain. We're going to give this a smell, and it does have a sweet smell to it, which you'd expect from a Gelato strain. Not the most pungent strain I've ever smelled, but what I can smell is a sweet smell. So although it's not the smelliest, it's a really nice, fresh, sweet smell. Really nice smell, guys. We're going to jump now down to the desk and see what this bud looks like up close. So guys, this is the Gelato strain from Herbalogy. As you can see, beautiful orange pistils on this one. This bud is dense and firm too. It's crispy, but it's got a good stickiness to it when you grab it and give it a good squeeze. And the trichome coverage on this one is great too. I can't wait to see what the inside of this looks like. So let's break this bud in half and see what the trichomes are like on the inside. And as you guys can see, beautiful trichome coverage, even when it's broken in half. Really nice coating on the inside. I can't wait to break this up and chuck it in the grinder and see how much those terpenes fly through the air. So let's shoot up now and see what this smells like in the grinder. So guys, now that that is done, we're going to break up some of this Gelato and tell you guys what this looks like once it's in the grinder. What I will say, guys, although it is cured, well, I'm going to say that right now, it's got almost like a crispy, almost dry feeling on the outside. I wouldn't say that means that it's a dry bud. Once you break it apart, the inside's got a nice tack to it. So we're going to grind this up now and see what this bud smells like. Yeah, really nice, guys. Again, like I said to you at the start, not a super pungent strain. It's not blowing my nose up, but it does smell fresh. It does smell nice and sweet too. Really nice smelling strain. So we're going to get the Dynavap. We're going to fill the Dynavap up. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you guys what I think the cure of this is like and what it's like in the fingers. Is it sticky? Is it dry? So one thing I'm going to say now, this one, again, like a lot recently, and like everyone from Herbalogy, is cured well. It's not super dry. It isn't crispy. Like I said before, when you grind it up, I'm getting a nice tack on my fingers. There is the first oven in the Dynavap with this Gelato from Herbalogy. So we're going to cap it and heat it up. And this is the first oven heated up. There we go. Let's chuck it in to the micro. Yep, straight through the glass too in that first terpene hitting the Dynavap. I'm getting the same taste as the smell I was getting, a nice, sweet, fresh taste. Also, I can taste that those terpenes just stuck to my mouth after that first heat up. So let's go for number 2. There we go. Beautiful. No throat hit at all. Really smooth vapor, and that was a really thick second heat up as well. Again, those terpenes are just sticking to my mouth. Really good flavor coming through on this one so far. Let's see if we're gonna get any more vapor out of this strain. I think those first two were pretty heavy for me. I'm satisfied already. The first hit was a really nice terpene hit and the second one was super heavy. Really happy with that strain in the Dynavap. It chucked out a ton of vapor, which I've come to expect with this company now. Their strawberry strain and the last strain that I reviewed from the vapor production was 10 out of 10 for me. So really happy with this in the Dynavap. So now let's fill up one of these and try out the Mighty. So there is a dosing capsule full of gelato from Herbalogy. Let's open this up, put it in. I think we're going to start on 175. There we go, 175. And I'm going to stop using this with the micro because for some reason it just doesn't really pull much vapor through. I'm not sure why, but you can definitely get a lot more of a pressure build-up and more vapor when I use it in my mouth. So wow, super nice terpene hit, guys. Like I've always said to you, the Mighty just seems to have like a terpene boost for some reason. Everything always tastes better in the Mighty, and it's the same today. That terpene hit is beautiful. Like I said to you guys, really nice sweet taste. Yep. Terpenes are still coming through the second go. Normally it starts to fade after the second one, but again, a really nice sweet drag there. Still going, still getting a nice bit of sweetness, which I'm impressed with. And like I just said to you guys, vapor production from every single Herbalogy product that I've tried has been amazing. And again, it's the same in the Mighty. There's still a little bit of sweetness in there, guys. I'm not going to lie. Normally the flavour's gone by now, but I think that's 4 or 5, and I'm still getting a nice sweet taste. It's getting a little earthy now, but really no issue at all. Still getting a little bit of sweetness, and I can't even remember how many draws I've took through the Mighty now. So through the Dynavap I was impressed, through the Mighty I was impressed. Now let's get to this guy and fill this one up. So let's pack this up, and guys, no, this isn't super dirty. I actually cleaned this before the review, but I took a couple of hits of the gelato before the review started, so that's why it looks a bit dirty. So let's try this out. Now, that was actually really nice. Definitely some flavour coming through there. In fact, I enjoyed that, so let's put a little bit more in. Woo! So guys, that is the vaporizers done. We've had a little smoke with it. What do I think of the gelato from Herbalogy? So guys, looks wise of this strain, it looked good. Like I said to you guys, it felt a bit crispy on the outside, but the inside looked really nice. So I'm going to give the looks of this an 8.5. The smell of this was nice too. Like I said to you guys, it wasn't super pungent, but there was a really nice sweet smell to it. So I'm going to give the smell of this an 8.5 too. The taste of this one was nice as well. Like I said to you guys, as you saw through that little vaping session that I did have, the flavour just seemed to go on and on and on. And after the second and third hit, where you'd think it'd start to get a bit earthy and you'd lose that sweetness, it did keep going. So I've got to give the flavour of this one a 9. Do I think this strain is a day or a nighttime strain? Well, I would say that it was more on the indica side, because I definitely feel really relaxed off this strain. But I don't feel tired. Like I said, I feel relaxed, but I don't feel tired. I don't feel sleepy at all. I just feel a bit sedated. So I would say this was an all-day strain for me. And what do I think of the effects of this one? I think the effects are great, guys. This is a mood-enhancing strain for me. I don't feel tired. I don't feel sleepy. I feel awake and alert, but I feel really relaxed off this one. Like I said to you just then, my mood is enhanced. I feel my mood is increased. I definitely feel relaxed and calm. So that is good on that side of things, but the pain relief is good as well. My chest has been feeling a little bit worse over the past few days, and this stuff knocked the pain out for me. So I'm super impressed with the pain relief on this one too. So the price of 2 grams of this is £25.20, which works out at £12.60 per gram. And after doing the last few videos on this channel, that is definitely up there, a few quid more than some of the other strains that I've reviewed recently. But I think it's in the ballpark for me. The effects are really good. The smell is good. You can see the bud is fresh. It comes in a tin, so that's going to increase the price a little bit. But that's not bad for this strain. Like I always say with Herbalogy's products, they knock it out of the park every time. Super high quality products for me. So $12.50, that's not bad. They also do a scheme at the moment where you can get 5% off your orders if you become a member. So you can go on the website and sign up, and you'll get your own personal discount code for 5% off. And overall, guys, this was a really enjoyable strain for me. I got a nice head buzz from this, relaxed, calm. There was definitely a mood enhancer going on here. And this was a really nice one. Smelled great, tasted great. And I can't fault it. Herbalogy has hit it out of the park again. They seem to do this with every strain. I can't fault Herbalogy as a company with their strains. So that is this review done, guys. If you enjoyed it, remember to leave a thumbs up. Put some comments in the comments section, because I want to do another Q&A soon. So put in the comments what questions you've gone right this for the Q&A. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys later. Peace.